So, we weren't recording, but me and my friends opened some packs, and in 2 packs in a row we got some sick players. In the first one, we got Sanchez. Now, my friend who got him was kidding about quick selling him, so I jumped on him to get the controller, and I accidentally quick sold him myself.
This is great banter. It really is.
And when we saw how much he went for, which is over 70k, I literally jumped on the floor and started hitting it. I was so upset I almost started to cry. Now, in the next pack, we got Company, and it seemed all to be well again, as he goes for 90k, except for that we sold him and spent all the money on packs and we got only shit.